girls, thank you so much. Take your seat. Please take your seat. All girls, please take your seats. Thank you so much. We have another message from Dr. Bonaventure Chaponza, Assistant Education Secretary. Those with envelopes, we have a small desk there on the other side. If you can take them there. We have a message from the ambassador.